In this video, we will show you how to replace your hood support on this Ford F-150. You'll have two of these, one along each side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay, friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing that we want to mention is you do want to be extremely careful whenever you're removing any of your supports. It's a good idea to have some sort of hood prop holding your hood up while you continue on. Now, to remove the support, it's going to be fairly simple overall. Of course, we're going to be extremely careful as we continue on. Down along each side of that hood support, you're going to find that you have a locking clip. I'm using a pocket screwdriver to gently start pulling that away. And now we should be able to separate this from the body of the vehicle. We have that one separated. It's the same exact process for the top. I'm still using my pocket screwdriver. There it is, friend. With that out of position, I have a clean rag. I'm going to clean and inspect each of my mounting areas. Starting at the hood, that looks good. Down at the body of the vehicle, this looks good as well. All right, it's time for installation of the brand new hood support. I'm starting up at the top. We'll align this and press it in. Listen for an audible click. Once you do hear that, go ahead and try to tug it out of position. It should not slide out. Continuing on, we're down at the bottom now. At this point, you can make an adjustment in this area. We want to make sure it aligns properly as well. You can adjust the hood height up or down as necessary. Of course, we're inspecting to make sure that's properly secured as well. Okay, friend, we finished the installation of one side of our hood supports. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. After you've completed that, just go ahead and close the hood, reopen it, and confirm that it holds up as it should. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.